Good evening. My name is Madrina Chirija, and this is script 15. I'm going to present to you on behalf of Group 15. I'm going to present to you the adaptive learning system business model canvas. So for those who have been with us on our channel, we have been trying to tell you about the project we came up with, how it has been moving on, and how we came up with models and all that. And we've actually, this time around, tried to explain the explainable part of how it's carrying out its decisions. But on top of this, we're also going to try to look at a business model canvas, and we're going to try to see how can we. Okay, we've come up with the idea, we've come up with a project. How best can we make money out of this situation? Like, because everything that we come up with, we have to find a way of earning from it so that we don't suffer. So, how best can we come up with money? So, remember that the problem we're trying to solve here is one size fits all. And in one size fits all, we're having partners, like people we are going to actually focus on. There are people we are going to, the people we are going to work with so that this comes into existence. The first group of people are the data vendors. These ones are the ones who provide high quality data sets that we're actually going to use. Then we have the service providers who supply us with the cloud infrastructure and the technical support. We have the academic institutions, these ones will be in the pilot testing, whereby we can, give them the testing, they check it out and see if it actually does what they need. So, yes, we're going to work with these people, but what are we going to provide them with? So this is our value proposition. So we are in our value proposition, we actually have 3 points. We are going to provide them with personalized learning. That's through an AI-driven adaptive learning experience. We're going to provide them with intelligent tutoring so that there is real-time guidance and feedback at that time. And we're looking forward to providing them with API integration so that you can seamlessly connect into the existing system. You don't need to have the whole entire system. You can have an API and borrow that system in your system. Yeah. So, but to come up with all this, we need resources. There is the particular resources we need to have. And our resources are mainly in 4 categories. We have physical resources, intellectual resources, human resources, and financial resources. So for the physical resources, here we're going to talk about the cloud computing infrastructure. And that's like, what we're actually going to use. Then we have the storage, the secure data storage. So that maybe whatever is going to be worked on is stored safely. Yeah. Then we have the human resources. In the human resources, we have the people who are going to actually market it, the marketing team. We have the educational experts. We have data scientists and machine learning experts so that you can consult from them. Then under intellectual resources, we're mainly looking at AI models that already exist so that you can try to analyze them and get to understand something. And then we also look at the algorithms. Yeah. Then we have financial resources. That's investments, revenue from somewhere. And yeah, well wishers, basically, when they decide to bring in money for that and funding. Yeah. But with all these, the partners that you've seen, what you're trying to provide them with the resources, the activities that you're going to do, the key activities, you're going to carry out data cleaning and pre-processing. We're going to have model training. We're going to have fine tuning and cloud-based deployment so that it's easy to access. Yeah. So besides the activities, we need to know how best we're going to segment our our marketplace. Because segmentation is dividing your customer base into into distinct groups. And we're mainly going to focus on 3 groups for our case. We're going to focus on the teachers, the students, and the elementary institutions. So the teachers are the ones who use it as a plugin, as an additive on what they're actually doing, like maybe to help you somewhere. And then the students will entirely depend on it. And then the elementary school educational institutes will use it together with the teachers and the students. Yes. Then that being our customer segmentation, there are relationships and channels you're supposed to maintain. The relationship that you're going to maintain are in 2 categories. There is the automated and the personalized relationships. So the automated here, in the automated, we have self-service dashboards where I can be able to keep track of their systems, get feedback and all that. Then the personalized relationship is a dedicated school support system, whereby it's dedicated to that particular person. And then we also have interactive user assistance. Yeah. And then the channels that we look forward to are the unofficial website and mobile app, API platforms, academic collaborations, and cloud provider partnerships. Yeah. Then having made the relationship and the channels, we're going to look at the cost structure. How much are you going to incur to have this on ground? And we're looking at it in 3 main groups. We have the part of incurring it in infrastructure. Here there is cloud computing costs, computing power and storage, and also model hosting. It will cost money. Then the data management, there is data acquisition whereby some organizations that provide their data sets need you to pay. Then educational data sets and also cleaning and processing, that one also needs money. Then the other operations can be customer support, people who are actually going to be there to listen to your clients' issues. Then training programs, that's also going to involve money. And then also system maintenance, hiring people who are actually going to be there to keep the system running. Yeah. But with all this, there are revenue streams that we actually look at and be like, we're going to get money from this. We're going to get money. We believe we shall get money from subscription. Yeah, subscription-based pricing. Then pay per service, okay, pay-per-use fee, whereby you're paying for that particular thing you're using. Then we have potential advertising opportunities, because you might connect to a school and a school is like, okay, please put us on your system. Maybe you have so many clients, please put us out there. So they'll have to bring in some money. Then premium features, whereby some features are excluded, like there'll be premium that are open to anyone. Then there'll be premium that are only accessed when you make a payment. Yeah. And lastly, I would love to show you a chart that we hope and we know, we believe that according to that, what we've tried to look at and think about, our revenue streams are going to be 90% from the subscription fees and a bit of 10% from the pay per use. Yeah. So that's how best I could explain to you how we're planning on monetizing our project. And I hope you understood everything that we're being talked about. Yeah. Thank you so much for listening to me. We shall meet again in the next video. Thank you.